Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another live stream. This is IGCSE 0580 Mathematics Past Paper Solution. Here one of the question is a linear equation, that is simplest linear equation which we are asked to solve. Very simple linear equation we are asked to solve. We welcome you here on this channel, this live stream. This channel is dedicated for presenting math content. It is stated that solve the equation, so simple linear equation it is. How can we solve it? It is 7 minus h is equal to 3 minus 5h. So it's so simple linear equation. How can we solve it? Please hit the like button, subscribe the channel. It is, we can bring the like terms together. For example, minus h is here, we can bring 5h on this side, it will be added, and 3 on that side. 7 can be taken to that side, it will become minus 7. So here 5 minus 1 is 4h. Okay, 1h is being subtracted from 5, so 4h, and 3 minus 7 will be minus 4, and we can divide both sides by 4. Divide both sides by 4 gives us minus 1 on that side. So this is answer. It is a very simple linear equation. Thank you viewers. I welcome you here on this channel. Please hit the like button, subscribe the channel. This channel is devoted to present mathematics content. This is IGCSE 0580 Mathematics paper 23 of October-November 2024. When you hit the like button, then the channel reach increases, and we are thankful to you for this great action. Please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel. This is a simple linear equation which we solved. It is an unknown displayed here. Unknown is included also, which is h, whose value is calculated. We just brought like terms together. When like terms are together, then they are solved. For example, 5h on left side is plus 5h. 7 is taken to right side of the equality. That becomes minus 7. Thank you so much viewers that you are here. Please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel. And 7 is subtracted from right hand side. 5 is h is added on left hand side, so we have 4h on left hand side and minus 4 on right hand side. So then we divide both sides by 4. That gives us h on left side and minus 1 on right side. So hit the like button. Thank you for being part of this live stream. Grateful for your kind observation to this channel, because this channel or any channel, you know, that is not worth anything without its viewership. So viewers are the most important part. So we welcome you here. Hit the like button so the channel and reach must increase also. This is the great favor you're going to the person who is presenting. Actually, this man is extremely devoted for mathematics content presentation and has been doing so for the last half of a decade now. So, and is hopeful to get the ultimate growth to his channel with your support. Thank you that you are here appreciating this. So there is another question that it is Sacha. Sacha buys B books. So B is the count of the books. And M magazines. Actually, this is how you learn mathematics, right? So this is the way we learn mathematics, by solving some questions. By I'm presenting those problems to you, and not presenting problems but also their solutions. So here we are, and this next question, Sacha buys B books and M magazines, right? That is $12, and the cost of each magazine is $5. So this is also a simple question. So what is the demand of this question? Demand is that write an expression in terms of B and M for the total cost of the books and the magazines. So viewers, thank you that you are here. Your presence here as audience is great. Please hit the like button so that the channel reach increases. You're 19 watching this. I really appreciate your presence. Let me give you a statement for my viewers, my audience, that you are the great people on this earth, on this planet, who are watching mathematics content, because this content, mathematics, is such a subject which can make you understand the reality of the universe, which enables you to understand what the truth is, truth of the living on earth here. So that is why I appreciate that, and I know that me and you are the great people on earth who love mathematics, who learn mathematics, who propagate mathematical ideas. And look, that Sacha buys B books, M magazines. The cost of each book is $12 and the cost of each magazine is $5. Write an expression in terms of B and M. You know that, viewers, excuse me, because I used to teach to students, some boys. So I used to call them, do you know, boys? So that is why it's kind of a slip of tongue. So viewers, look, if price of one apple, right? Price of one apple you buy is 5 rupees, you can say, or dollars or pounds or something, right? 5. Then what will be the price of 2 of them? 2 apples. So obviously price of 2 apples is 2 multiplied by 5, right? So one costs 5 rupees, $5. 2 will cost 2 multiplied by 5. So this is the way, means the number of apples 2 and the price of each apple, that is 5, will be multiplied, right? That is the rule. Now here, you know that the quantity of books is B, and the price of each book is 12. So 12 and B will be multiplied. 12 multiplied by B, because 12 is the price, B is the count of the books. And now the other M is the count of magazine. And how much is one magazine cost? It's 5 rupees. M is the number. M is number of magazine, and 5 is price per magazine. So 5 and m will also be multiplied. So 5 multiplied by m. So they make total cost, right? This is an example, the example of in apple, just to understand that one apple costs 5, so 2 apple cost. 2 multiplied by 5, 3 apple costs. 3 multiplied by 5, and like that, right? So this way, it means that number multiplied by price of each. In case of apple, we can see. And in case of books, B is their count and 12 is the price per book. So B multiplied by 12. 5 is the count of, 5 is the price of magazine, and M is the count. Look, M magazines. How many magazines? M magazines. M is their count, right? Number of magazines M, and the price of one magazine is 5, so both are multiplied and they will be added for the total cost. So see that what do we need here? Towards the end of the statement, the total cost of books and magazine, right? So we can write here total cost of both these products, 12b multiplied with this. So finally 12b can be written and 5m can be written. So this is total cost in terms of b and m is written. Please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and you would see that this channel is presenting mathematical content. It's name of this channel is Mathematics Plus, right? So some of the content of biology is here, some of the a lot of 99% content of mathematics is there. And there is another unique thing about this channel is that this channel blends mathematics with some other ideas, and what those ideas are, what the content, Islamic, motivational, scientific, and some information, right, based audios are blend with mathematics video in the form of the short video. If you will watch short video, that will give you two types of contents, and what those two types are: one, the mathematics, other the audio. And the audio which is selected, carefully selected, for to contribute with the idea to contribute positively towards the society. And what that idea is, what is that positivity? Positivity comes in the form of Islamic concepts, religious concepts, right? And some motivation, some scientific concepts, some great ideas which can benefit to anybody. And other than that is the motivation, right? So all that is blend with mathematics content. So viewers, thank you that you are here. Please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel. If you are new to this channel, then I must tell you that this channel presents this. And what is this? This is mathematics. So it has been presenting for last half of a decade. Now the channel, the presenter is enthusiast of mathematics, is the one who cares about, who lives mathematics, who inhales mathematics, who breathes mathematics, whose blood is mathematical, whose identity is mathematics. So you can see that this person is presenting this mathematics to you. And now we have another question, right? So here, let us crack it. It is find the size of an interior angle of a regular 15-sided polygon. Okay, so do you know what 15-sided polygon, right? 15-sided polygon, you can have triangle, 3-sided polygon, 4-sided polygon can be square, rectangle, rhombus, kite, and 5-sided polygon is pentagon, then hexagon, then heptagon, 7-sided, and 8-sided is hexagon, and now we have before us as 15-sided, right? And we need to know what the measure of its interior angle. So what is the measure of its interior angle? That is the task. That is what we need to find. Hit the like button, viewers. Thank you so much for joining here. This channel presents mathematical content for last 5 years. So we welcome you here on this channel. Your presence is like an oxygen. So keep providing oxygen so that we will keep providing you this great content, which is the greatest content, the great content, not the greatest, but one of the greatest content of the universe. So which we are presenting here. It is mathematics. It's let you explore the universe, lets you understand the truth of the mankind, the truth of the universe. So mathematics is all about the exploring that truth. So here a polygon, 15-sided polygon, its interior angle is required. So let us begin doing that. Interior angle can be calculated. That has a formula: n minus 2 multiplied by 180, and we divide by that by n. So that's the formula for interior angle, right? It's interior angle can be calculated using this formula. So n is number of sides, right? Number of sides are 15 multiplied 180 divided by n is 15. So it is 13 multiplied by 180 divided by 15. 15 divides 180 by 12, right? So 13 and 12, the product will give us the angle. 12 and 13 getting multiplied. So 13 multiplied by 12 is what? 12 is 36. 1 carry 12, 112 plus 3, 15. So 156 is the measure of that angle. Viewers, thank you that you appreciate the presentation of this channel. You are here, your presence is highly valued, and that is actually that provides the oxygen to this channel, gives the growth to this channel. Thank you so much that you're here, you're joining this, you're appreciating this mathematics content. It is the calculation of interior angle of a polygon, right? The polygon sides are 15 in number. So this is the formula which we follow to calculate interior angle, and this is interior angle. It is 156. So there is another kind of a piece of a cake question that is very, very simple question. The basic level question. Actually, this is IGCSE 0580. It challenges your entire knowledge when you appear there after your or by the end of the 10th grade or 10th year or 11th year. When you appear there, what happens? They ask you everything you have learned up till now, related to numbers, related to geometry, related to algebra, related to sets, related to probabilities, statistics, data handling, management of money, symmetry, area, volume, surface area, perimeter calculation, and everything. So some of these questions look kind of a joke to you when you are prepared, you are ready to take that exam. Some of the questions look like a piece of a cake there. One of them is here. Look, this question is subtraction of fractions, mixed fractions, 2 whole 1 by 4 and 1 whole 11 by 12. The demand of this is without using calculator, work out and show working. Showing working is important in mathematics. You know, as a student of mathematics, everyone knows that showing working, the process of calculation is essential to be shown there. So here is another So we can just convert them in an improper form. 4 2 8 plus 1, 9 by 4 minus 12 multiplied by 1, 12 plus 11, 23 by 12. Now we have to make the denominator same. We have to make the denominator same. How can we make the denominator same? As 12 is multiple of 4, so we can turn 4 into 12 by multiplying by 3. So both numerator denominator we multiply by 3, and then we can see that the denominator of both of them is 12. So we just convert them in single fraction by writing 12 in the denominator. Numerator is 9 3 is 27 minus 23, so that will be 4. 4 by 12. And what will you write after it? 4 multiplied by 1 and 4 multiplied by 3 can be done. This factorization, prime factorization, can be done, and you can see that 4 is cancelled out. So 1 by 3 is the final answer. So viewers, we welcome you here. This is a channel which is presenting mathematics content and is valuing your presence, your availability here. You're observing this math content, actually learning this. You already know all these concepts and still here, so you're highly appreciated. This is one of the simplest question of IGCSE 0580 paper 23 of October November 2024. So this is one of the question where we had to simplify these mixed fractions. We have to complete the fraction subtraction of fractions by showing all steps. So there is another question related to geometry is about angles. So let us draw that diagram, and then we will be working on the unknown angle there. So this is concept of angle at a point. You can see that one horizontal line, one is vertical line. Actually this has to be a very straight line, in exactly a straight line, but freehand drawing is slightly challenging. Okay, look at it is one horizontal, one vertical, showing confirming this angle 90 degree, and there is one the third line that passing through this here. Okay, so now one angle here is given 80 degree, and the other angle is also shown here, but is not actually, its measure is not written there, because it is obvious that a student appearing for this exam already knows that what that angle is. So three parts of the angle. It is angle at a point, right? So W is required. So what is W that is needed to be calculated? How can we work out this angle? You know, it is angle at a point. We know that one of the angle is 80, that is obvious. One of the angle is W, it is obvious. The third angle is also obvious. You know that it is 90 degree angle, and this is equal to 360, because sum of angle at a point is 360. If you see that they all complete a circle, right? Can you see this green color circle which is formed here? So when the circle is formed, it means that this angle is 360. So the total is 360. One of them, it is split into three parts, right? One of the part of that 360 angle is 80. The other part is W. The third part is 90, which we can identify. So all they sum to 360. Now we know that 80 and 90 make 170. W is also on left hand side, 360 on right side. 170 is subtracted when we take it to right hand side, and so we can see that what will it give? It is 9 and it is 190. This will be 190 degree, right? So this angle is 190. Please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for being here and participating in this live stream. This is another thank you so much, viewers, that you are here. Please hit the like button so that the channel reach increases. This channel is presenting mathematics content for last 5 years, so even more than that. So the channel could not see the enough growth, but with your appreciation, I'm hopeful that we'll be able to reach that level. So this is angle which we have found here is 190 degree, right? So the missing part of the angle is W, and it has we are asked to find that. We calculated by using concept of angle at a point. So angle at a point is 360. So all these W, 80 and 90 sum to 360. So with the help of that, we could find the value of W. It is 190. Actually, viewers, mathematics can give you goggles, right? The goggles that enable you to identify truth, enable you to identify the value of the humanity, right? Value of the mankind, and can make you identify the truth of the universe. So thank you, and we all who learn mathematics know that we are the great people on earth because we appreciate human value, we appreciate truth, and we appreciate exploration of the universe. So that is why we are great people. So thank you that you are here. Please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel. Here we have another question, that is a grouped data actually is displayed here, and we are asked to find the median, find the mean. That is another question. So let us begin our work on that. So what is this about? It is each student in a class of 20 students. So there are number of students in the class are 20. So each student records the number of coins and their pockets. So 20 students sitting in the class, they have coins in their pockets, and they're recording their count, that how many coins does everyone have. So the table shows the result. So this is the table. I can draw it using freehand. So how many values it has. So let us look. Number of coins. Number of coins and the frequency. Frequency means what the frequency shows here, right? So let us look. Frequency 3 means 3 students have no coin, right? 1 student has 1 coin. 7 students have 2 coins. 8 students have 3 coins. No student has 4 coins. No student has 5 coins. 1 student has 6 coins. So this is how this data is presented, right? After that, now what will we call it? What will we, or how are we gonna handle it in order to find this is frequency, right? Frequency table, and we can write cumulative frequency also, right? We can write frequency cumulative frequency is one thing we can create a row. Usually we create a column for cumulative frequency, right? We add frequency. Look, this is 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 7, 11, 11 plus 8, 19, 19 plus 0, 19, 19 plus 0, 19, 19 plus 1, 20. So the frequency is added up, right? What we find here is summation f, right? The summation f is also, we add all values of frequency. So that is summation symbol, it is, right? Summation f is equal to 20. When you add all frequency values, 3 plus 1, 4 plus 7, 11 plus 8, 19 plus 1, 20. So sum of all these values, frequency values, is 20, right? So what else can we do? We can multiply frequency with, these values are called x, right? Number of coins represented by x, frequency represented by f, and all frequency values when are added, they make 20, right? So next is, okay viewers, this is a statistics related question which we are solving here. Thank you so much for joining. This channel is presenting mathematics content for last 5 years. So we are now solving a question where median is asked and where mean is required, right? So it is the data which is collected from students of a class. There are 20 students sitting in the class, and they have coins in their pocket. So number of coins are shown and the frequency, right? So like how this data can be interpreted. This data can be interpreted as 3 students have no coin. Similarly, 1 student has 1 coin, 7 students have 2 coins, and similarly it goes on, right? So here actually I wanted to just on the monetization of this video, right? It's has become so late because the video is now how long it is now. Now I guess that it is more than 30 minutes we are presenting. Look, it is cumulative frequency. All frequency values are added. 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 7, 11, 11 plus 8, 19, 19 plus 0, 19, 19 plus 0, 19, 19 plus 1, 20. So cumulative frequency is also calculated. All frequency values are added, they make 20, and all coins are represented by x. And now what we need to know, we have to find frequency and the product of frequency and the x. 3 multiplied by 0 is, look, these two are getting multiplied, right? These two are first column values, 3 and 1 are getting multiplied. Frequency and number of coins, they are multiplied. 3 multiplied by 0, 0, 1 multiplied by 1, 1, 7 multiplied by 2, 14, 8 multiplied by 3, 24, 4 multiplied by 0, add 0 multiplied by 4, 0, 0 multiplied by 5, 0, 1 multiplied by 6 is 6. And we have to find their sum also, sum of this fx values will be added all together. 6 plus 24, 30, 30 plus 40, 14. 30 plus 14, 44, plus 1, 45. So they all are 45. So we are asked to find mean here, right? So one of the value is mean. Can you find mean? Mean has simplest formula. Look, summation fx by summation f. This is the simple formula. What is fx? Summation fx is 45, which we have calculated already, and summation f is 20. So what is it? 45 multiplied by 20 is with the table of 5. It is 9 5s and 4 5s. So 9 multiplied by 4 is 2.25, right? 2.25 is the value. If you use calculator, that can give you the value of this. It is 45 divided by 20 is 2.25 exactly. This is the mean, the central value which we have calculated, right? Mean is calculated. Next to it is median. Can we calculate median? Median is the central value, right? Central value. Central value. Okay, how can we find central value? What is n here? Means number of values. So number of values are 20. So if, look, these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 values, right? And 10. This is 10th, 11th, and 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Look, we have left 9 here. These all are 9. These all are 9. 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus these two in the middle make 20. So 20 terms. So actually 10th and 11th terms are middle terms. Middle terms are 10th and 11th terms, right? So where 10th and 11th term lie? Where? Look, cumulative frequency. If you look at cumulative frequency row, let me highlight this. Cumulative frequency, right? It is highlighted. The blue color highlight is done. Cumulative frequency row, we are looking at it. Now the first value there is 3. It contains only 3 values. And then it contains the next row, next column contains 4 values. Next column contains 11. So look at it. 10th and 11th value lies here. 10th and 11th value lies here. Red color encircled. 10th and 11th value lie in this because previous contains 4 values only. First contains 3 values only. Next contains up to 4 values. And next contain up to 11. So it means that 10th and 11th value is included here. The red color column includes 10th and 11th value, right? So what is the number of coins here? Number of coins is 2. So median, the central value of the data. Data shows number of coins, right? So the central value of the data is 2 coins. This depicts the center of the data. Okay, viewers, we have done a lot today, mashallah, and you have appreciated also. Thank you so much. Please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel. This channel is devoted for mathematics, not only, but to dig the truth of the universe and to know the value of the humanity, value of the mankind, and is devoted to contribute positively towards the society. So this channel has great resolutions and objectives. So with your cooperation and support, we'll be able to accomplish this goal, achieve this goal, accomplish this task. Thank you so much for being part of this live stream. See you soon. Goodbye.